mix up and gamify your routine. Let's make it fun. Let's have some fun. This is what it's all about. This is why we're here. And if we do this within our practice, there's going to be no stopping us. So we start off with using apps, and some of my personal favorites are on this list, like especially one from this musician and my personal favorite, Rocksmith, to level up your practice. It feels like just playing video games. It doesn't even feel like that you're playing guitar. And Rocksmith is just like Guitar Hero, but using real guitar. Really, really, really love that app. Love the game because I had the game on PC. It's absolutely amazing. So the other one, set challenges for yourself. Can you play a song 5 times with no mistakes? It's a very good challenge. The other one is using things like chord challenges. So can I play a new chord in a really quick amount of time? Some really good challenges there that you can set for yourself. So you can make up these challenges and have some fun with them. The other one is speed goals. So if you've learned a song, a really good tip is put a metronome on. So you can use your phone, you can use a separate metronome, and see how fast you can then play that song. And challenge some of your friends as well. Say, hey man, I can play Back in Black at like 175 BPM, and guaranteed that's going to be a really good game idea that you can set amongst yourself, either for yourself or set with your friends. So it's a really good challenge. So the other one, and this was a really important one for me, I think I've learned probably 33% of my guitar learning through this tip alone, which is buy guitar magazines. So things like Guitarist Technique and my personal favorite, Total Guitar. I think I have so many. I have probably over 200 versions of Total Guitar, 200 editions of Total Guitar, because of how much I've learned from that. Also, I've learned about guitarists like Steve Vai, Zakk Wylde. I would have never known about these players. I would have never known about them if I'd have never bought Total Guitar magazines. And they are my favourite guitarists of all time. They are absolutely phenomenal guitar players. And that was my goal. That then became my goal. I wanted to play as good as Steve Vai. And, well, no one can be as good as Steve Vai, because Steve Vai is absolutely phenomenal. But if you are, and that's your goal, then how brilliant. What a great existence to be doing this and playing guitar. It's a lot of fun. And this is it as well. With our practice, remember to switch it up. So if in your practice, what you have to do in the week versus what you can do in a week. So if you have to learn a scale this week, or you have to play through a song, incorporate that with a song you really love. So for example, I have to learn the C major scale and learn one of my grade songs. But then at the end of that, once you've done that for 10 minutes, you can then go, right, I really want to play this song by Hosier. And I really want to play a Hosier song. So you do that for 5 minutes, and that is a great practice. And explore styles you've never played before. So if you're a metal guitarist, have you ever tried to play a jazz piece? Have you ever tried to play the blues? Here's some background noise. Have I ever tried to play the blues or play reggae? So try a different style that you've never played before, and guaranteed that's going to make your practice a little more fun and give you some different choices. So the other thing as well, if you're an electric guitarist, explore your amp. Explore different sounds that your amp can make, or if you have an effects pedal, try and explore what your effects pedal can do. So I can guarantee that you're going to make some different choices, and you're going to have a lot more fun by playing with different sounds and playing with sounds that you know your favourite guitarists make. Have you got any other ideas to make your practice fun? If you share it on our community, I would love to know how to make your practice fun. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, but if the journey's fun, you want to go do it again and again and again. Let's get jamming, yo.